you guys, so I decided to pick up the camera real quick 'cause I just wanted to start vlogging just my days, you know. It don't have to be one day vlog, you know. I just want to be filming just like clips and stuff. But yeah, I'm on my phone. A lot of you guys on my video when I went to Tennessee, a lot of people said that my phone quality is better than my regular camera. Is that true? Because if it is, babe, sure. Because I kind of hate using that camera because, especially in public, because it's so like noticeable. Today it is Friday and I am hungry. I need to eat food. So these are the noodles that I eat. This is my first time trying this kind. I already tried it though, but this is like my first time getting it. It's pretty good. It tastes like you know, the regular ramen noodles, like the oriental or something like that. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna go cook this. Oh my gosh, y'all, these are so bomb. Like, dill pickle chips, yes. Okay guys, and this is the chicken that I use. I know it's not the best chicken, you know, but it's easy and it's good. So I put the chicken inside the air fryer, and I know it's a lot because I like to make my doggy Chanel some chicken because she loves to eat this chicken. Yeah, I'll just put it in the air fryer for about like 15 minutes, but it'd be done in about like 10 to be honest. But yeah, she just likes to eat like the plain chicken, so I'll give it to her before I season it. Okay, so in the meantime, while I wait, hey Chanel, on my chicken and my noodles to get done, my mom, she gave me these shoes from Aldo. Is it Aldo or Aldo? But yeah, she gave me these shoes because she was gonna take them back because she couldn't fit them, or she didn't like them. I forgot which one. But yeah, it's just these sandals, and crazy enough, I was looking for some sandals exactly like these. That's insane. Yeah, I was gonna buy some like fun, you know, socks or whatever, but yeah, I was looking for some sandals like kind of like these. Yeah, I was just gonna buy some like fun, cute, colorful socks and wear them like this. I'm waiting on Amazon because I ordered some poly mail, you know, packaging to, you know, ship stuff off in. Yeah, and it's not gonna be here until between the time 3:15 and like 7:15, and that's a long time from now. Because if you guys didn't know, I am selling a lot of stuff on Poshmark. Y'all, all my wigs always sell out so quick and so fast. I always list my wigs at $50. You guys like offer prices or whatever. The lowest I will go is like 30. But yeah, my wigs literally always goes the fastest. But I still have a lot of clothes, like shirts, jeans, and purses, like handbags and stuff on there on my Poshmark. So if you guys want to go check that out, I'll have it linked, you know, so you guys can go check it out. Okay, you guys, so here you go. Look at her. Okay, Chanel, here. Oh, eat it up, eat it up, eat it up. But anyway, here's my food. I put the chicken in there. It looked kind of good, you know. It looked kind of good. Hopefully it is good. So I hope this is better. But ooh, okay, it looked good, and this bowl is hot. I don't know why my mom keep on buying like ceramic bowls, because they get too hot, like when you warm them up in the microwave. Now my dog is done eating that quick. That was like 1 second. But okay, I'm about to try it. Let's see if it's good. Chanel was gone. There's no more. She's licking a plate. That's good. Yeah, I have to talk about the reason I don't be posting on YouTube anymore that much. Y'all, I be feeling like the content I be making be mad boring and nobody be watching it. Chanel, it's gone. She keep licking the plate and I feel like nobody be watching it, and I be doing the same stuff. Like even when I be vlogging, I know I be mad bored with myself. I'm like, if I'm bored, y'all go be bored. I be wanting to post, and then I'll be trying to think of a video idea or something to do, and then it'd be literally crickets in my head. So I wanted to update you guys on my starter locks real quick. Yeah, I just been spraying them with water, not every day anymore, because sometimes I'll be lazy and just don't feel like doing it, even though you just spray your hair. And sometimes I forget because I have my bonnet on like the whole day. Anyway, yeah, I just spray my hair like this. It's just water in here. And a lot of you guys have been saying you've been seeing growth in my hair, which I haven't been seeing growth in like length, but I have been seeing like obviously new growth. But I don't know about length. It's kind of like the same. But I just want to say that I take these still every single day. Get them at Target. I'm pretty sure they got it at Walmart. Walmart have everything. Yeah. Hey guys, so remember when I said that I wanted like cute socks? So I'm on Amazon and I typed in cute socks on Amazon. I'm gonna see if I can find what I'm looking for to go with those shoes, you know. These right here are cute. I like these. So every single day I've been reading like 2 to 3 of, you know, the little chapters in the Walking Dead comic book. So I'm done with the first one, done with the second one. I finished these two probably about like a month ago. Then I had to wait to buy this one because, you know, I didn't have enough money to buy it. So I had to wait to buy this one, and as you can see, I'm pretty much almost done. Yeah, and then I'll just buy the fourth one, then I'll be finished with this series. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy to be done with this series, so I can move on to my Scott Pilgrim. No. Yeah, so I bought the Scott Pilgrim, you know, the complete series or whatever. This is off of Amazon. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I already read the first one, not gonna lie, because I was like impatient. And as you can see, it's pretty, you know, it's about nothing compared to like the Walking Dead ones. It's very thick because those are compendiums, I believe. Am I saying that right? But that's like, they have like every issue instead of buying like, you know, a separate issue. Okay, anyway. But yeah, because I was, you know, eager to read it. But yeah, I already finished this one. I finished this one in like an hour. You know, it's pretty, you know, so I believe I'm gonna finish this series very, very quick. Once again, I did say like I need to like finish the Walking Dead ones first, then buy another one, but I was too impatient and I wanted to buy these. So I got dressed real quick because I actually want to hit up Home Goods today because I want to see if they got this strawberry stool. It's like a chair, but it's like a strawberry. I want to see if they have it. I've been seeing it all over TikTok, so I want to see if my Home Goods have it. I wanted to show you guys my outfit really quick. I wore this outfit yesterday. I wear this outfit literally all the time. This is one of my favorite outfits because it's so simple. And you know, whatever. But yeah, so I got this shirt off of Depop. If you guys ever watch my videos, ever see my Instagram pictures, ever see my TikToks, you know I always wear this shirt. It's my favorite shirt. Okay, and then these pants, these jeans, hold up, that I got from Target. Yeah, and then I'm wearing the shoes. To be honest, I've been wearing these for about like 5 minutes, and they're not that comfy. Okay, you guys. No strawberry chair. Yep, no strawberry chair. But my mom said she gonna check for me in Orlando. That's where they at. So we gonna see. Cause I was gonna go to Winter Garden, but not today. Okay, you guys, I'm back home now, and I didn't go to Walmart. Obviously, I just went to Target. I didn't even vlog nothing at Target because we were just trying to find these scissors. But I found some scissors. Hopefully, this is sharp enough. I think it will be. Okay, y'all, so I want to cut these jeans shorts just a tad bit shorter because they are longer on me. Like, you know, they are kind of long on me, so I just want to cut them a tad bit short. I want to cut them like this length. Okay, so I got these on the floor, and I'm just going to kind of lay those ones on top for like a guide. Yeah, it's a little bit easier, you know. Okay, now that I realize the shorts on top is uneven too, I forgot. This leg is longer. Oh my clean this. I forgot. Okay, you guys, I'm on the floor. You can kind of see it, but let's see. So I'm just gonna free cut it now. So I'm just gonna cut it in half. Cut it in half. Fold it in half. Oh my gosh, y'all, I really suck at cutting any type of jean, any type of anything. I suck. Hopefully the scissors are strong enough because we're cutting through 2 layers of jeans. Actually, no, they are strong enough. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is gonna become so uneven, I can tell. Like, look, that's not even straight, is it? Is it straight? Can it look good? The cuts aren't that bad. You know, I just be having whatever this is. Cause I'll be like sawing it back and forth. But I'm about to put them on. Then I'm gonna like wash them and put them in the dryer so I can have like the little threads coming off and stuff. All right, you guys, do not look at my knees. They're extreme, like my legs in general are extremely ashy, but whatever, okay. They look good. They're a little bit shorter and I can like roll them up if I wanna. Like that. Oh no, it's cute like that, yes. Hold up. Ugh. Yeah, it's cute like this. Yep. Because I hate shorts that like stick to my thighs. Like, you know, the shorts that's like, they're like stuck to your thighs. I like to have room like at the bottom. Like this, it has room. I can run my fingers like this, you know? But I hate shorts that like stick and I hate that. So yeah, that's why it's hard for me to find shorts. All right, you guys, so my shipping packages came finally. Yeah, I just got this blue color because this was cheaper than the other ones. But yeah, it come in 100 of them for, this was $10. So yeah, so I'm about to start packaging this stuff up. I'm just about to show y'all how I package everything up. All right, so what you'll need is scissors, tape, and then whatever you're gonna package it up in. Okay, obviously you're gonna need the shipping label. Okay, I only print off one at a time just so I won't get confused and stuff, because sometimes people order more than one thing but they don't order it like all together. They order it like separate for some reason, so I don't want to get like confused or anything. All right, so someone ordered this jacket, you know, super cute, super cute. So I'm just gonna fold it up real quick. Okay, so it's all folded up, and then see how this is so easy. And then you just put it inside of your polymer bag. I believe that's what these are called, y'all. I don't know. Yeah, so you just put it up in here, just like that. Usually people will add like their little cute stuff that they want to put in there, but I don't have any of that stuff, you know, because I'm not like a Poshmark seller. Like, I don't sell all the time, I just sell whenever. And you just want to tear this off to reveal the sticky part. Then we're just gonna fold it over. I like to fold it as much as it can go. So like that, then press all the air out of it, and boom. Now it's time to put on the label. So you just want to cut out your shipping label. Yada yada yada. It don't have to be perfect or anything, just cut it out. I'm not trying to show her address and all of that, but when you tape it, make sure you tape over the paper. Just don't tape the outside, like tape over the paper. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys as best as I could, but as you can see, I taped over the paper. And yeah, that's about it. Now this is ready to be shipped off. You guys, so here go all of the packages. I think they're about like 8 or 9 of them, but yeah, this is all it, and they will be off to the post office tomorrow morning. Okay, so if you want to buy something from me, then you can. I don't have any more wigs left. That was literally the last of my wigs, y'all. Like, I only have 2 more wigs left, but I want those. Yeah, but that's literally it. But I still have a lot of clothes on there, like tons of clothes on there, and a lot of bags, like handbags and tote bags. So if you just want to go check it out, my Poshmark will be in the description box down below. It'll be a link down there. And yeah, but yeah, that's it for me today. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just gonna probably just chill out and just watch the Fosters. Yeah, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this day in my life. I know it's not much because I didn't really do anything today, but yeah, you guys been wanting days in my life, so here you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Toodles.